What if I told you that you don't need them? There are natural solutions to boost your erection, and they've been right under your nose this whole time. Today, I'll share with you the key ingredients behind a powerful natural remedy that works like homemade Viagra without any side effects. Erectile dysfunction is a common condition affecting millions of men worldwide. When you visit a doctor, they often focus on treating the symptoms rather than addressing the root cause. Medications might provide temporary relief, but they don't always work. Instead of just masking the problem, it's crucial to understand what's really behind it. As you may already know, ED can result from various factors, including medical conditions, certain medications, and lifestyle choices. However, in many cases, it can be improved or even reversed by making simple changes to your diet. One of the most powerful natural solutions involves a unique combination of ingredients, each carefully selected for its proven benefits. Ginger, for example, is well known for improving circulation and supporting heart health. Nettle has been traditionally used to enhance testosterone levels. Lemon provides antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, while cinnamon boosts metabolism and improves blood flow. Honey adds natural energy, and hibiscus tea is packed with compounds that support vascular health. But perhaps the most important ingredient of all is Schisandra chinensis, a powerful adaptogen believed to enhance male potency like no other plant. When combined correctly, these ingredients create a potent natural remedy that can significantly support male performance, cardiovascular health, and overall vitality. But let's be honest, getting the perfect formula and dosage isn't easy. That's exactly why Nitrox Pro was developed, a simple yet powerful solution designed to boost blood flow and restore your confidence effortlessly. Supplies are running low, so don't wait. Click the first link in the description now and secure yours before it's too late.